Yo, Mike from Greenhawk Construction. Right, we want you to come and join us at the biggest show of its kind in the UK. Building Careers Live is a hands-on, interactive event for the whole construction industry. There's schools going to be there, colleges, careers advisor, and anyone else who's thinking of coming into the industry. And the best part about it, students are completely free. There's no money need to exchange. It is free for students, okay? Come and meet some of your favourite YouTubers, lads who are on the Instagram. They're all going to be here to support the trade. So it's a day out that you really don't want to miss if you are thinking of coming into the industry, okay? So tickets are very limited because once they're gone, that's it. We can't do any more, okay? So I look forward to seeing you from me and all the Greenhawk team. We're hopefully all going to be there. We'll see you there. Enjoy, guys. Take care.